Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want a clear view of every sales opportunity in your business? In this video, I'll show you how to use the sales pipeline in EngageBay's free plan. First, go to the Sales module and select Deals. You'll see the default Sales Pipeline view. This pipeline is a visual board with different stages. The free plan includes standard stages like Lead, Qualified, Proposal, and Closed Won. Each deal is represented as a card. To create a new deal, click Add Deal, fill in the details like deal name, value, and associated contact, and place it in the correct starting stage. As you work the deal, simply drag and drop the card to the next stage. This shows your entire team the real-time progress of every opportunity. Click on any deal card to open its details. Here, you can add tasks, schedule follow-ups, log calls, and update the expected close date. You can filter the pipeline view to show only deals assigned to you, deals over a certain value, or deals expected to close this month. And that's it. The sales pipeline turns your complex sales process into a simple, visual workflow that keeps your entire team aligned. If you set up your pipeline, let me know how many deals you're tracking in the comments. See you in the next one.